very beautiful train, amazing. That is duck, and there are two kids of duck. Oh, let's take him down. Wow, this is horse, and this one is pigeon. Wow, amazing. And this one is gander. You will know. Wow, what is that? Oh, baby, what is doing that on the track of the train? Wow, wow. Oh, this is very beautiful train. Oh, it is running on the track. Wow. Oh, it hit the baby. Now let's take the vehicles out of the deep by the crane machine. Amazing. Oh, it's been come out. Very nice, very nice. Amazing. Let's see what is in the next. Wow, that is, oh my god, tractor. Wow, tractor has come out of water. Wow, very nice. Now we will see some new toys and we will get them out by the crane. Wow, what is next? Let's see. Wow, this is monkey of brown color and this is of orange color. Wow, with one baby. Wow, amazing. Oh, what is there? Let's remove the soil and see. Oh, Doraemon of blue color and white color. Wow, very nice Doraemon, guys. Very nice. Let's take him near the monkey. Wow. Let's see. This is very beautiful train. Wow. Now it will run on the track. Wow. Let's make the button on. Wow, very nice.